Hello everyone, this is Falguni Zaveri from Karma Healing. It's been quite long that I have not come with a reading, so today here I am to do some reading for next week, or what next week is holding for you basically. So this is something different that I'm going to do today. Is something like a 3 pile of cards. I'll be giving numbers to each pile of my cards, like 1, 2, 3, and you can pick any one number, and you can resonate with the readings. If you resonate with the readings, take it. If you do not resonate, just blessed be and let it go. So we'll start with our reading, and before I start my reading, I would like you to go ahead and click the subscribe button, like my YouTube channel, like my page on Insta as well as on Facebook, and that's it. Now we'll start our reading. This is, like I told you, pile number 1. This is one angel card. This is pile number 2, that is with amethyst organite, and this is pile number 3, that is with the lapis organite. This is citrine, amethyst, and lapis. So just choose any one of this. You can choose either the citrine, you can choose either the amethyst, or you can choose either the lapis. They all come with one reading, the angel card readings. So I will go ahead and start with number 1. I will be putting timestamps also, so you just don't have to go through the whole video. Whichever number or whichever organite you have selected, the crystal, the citrine, you can just go to that timestamp and then read your readings. So first, let's see what we have for pile 1. The next week, for the people who have selected pile 1, you will see results, but it's not going to come easy for you. There are a lot of arguments, a lot of people fighting over different issues. There will be a progress that you will be seeing coming your ways, but it's not the easy way out. There are chances of having bad thoughts, being little kind of negative stage kind of a thing next week, but you will see some kind of a growth, a little growth that will come your way next week. Donations of any kind will help you to progress in your life, to progress in whatever you're doing. If you do it next week, it will be wonderful for you. I do see Queen of Cups, so there's a lot of emotions involved, so there is chances that new relationship might build up. There will be new things happening in your life where a lot of emotions are involved in it. So there will be the mixed feelings kind of a thing, the happiness as well as some low energy also coming next week for the people who have chose the pile 1. Just be careful. That's the advice, and that's the messages that I'm getting. Don't get into argument unless it's very, very necessary, and if it's going to help you in any way. So just keep away from any arguments, just keep away from any fight next week, so that's going to help you much more better. The suggestion that I will be giving you, or the guidance that I have been getting right now for the people who have picked up the pile number 1, is there is an issue that's going to come in your life next week where your health is concerned. You have to be very careful with your health. Take care of yourself very well. It's life, and there are going to be ups and downs in life, but we have to keep on going with a positive attitude. Just keep that in mind, and your next week should be fine. Let's see what the angels have to tell you. So I'm just going and opening the card of the angel. The angel is Archangel Chamuel. It says peace comes from remembering that only love is real. So there is the card. The angel is also telling you there is a lot of emotions that are going to come in your way next week. So whatever comes your way, find peace with it. Whatever the situation is, whatever the circumstances are, it will surely pass away. So don't worry and just move ahead. with peace. So that's for pile number 1. Let's see what pile number 2, that is the people who chose amethyst. Okay, let's see what they have to say for okay. For the pile number 2, I know it's very difficult that there are things that I have to tell you about the cards, about the things that will come your way, but I do see a little bit of progress coming also next week. For the pile number 2, there are chances that there will be a situation where you don't want to be in that situation, but forcefully, due to some circumstances or some things where emotions are involved, where family is involved, you have to be present there. So you cannot let that go. You have to take it as it comes, kind of thing. Though you feel tied down, or though you feel it's not good for you to stay there, you will be stuck there. I do see chances that there is some depression involved, there is some negativity that is involved, that will bring you a little bit of sorrow, a little bit of depression next week. There is a progress also coming the next week. It's nothing like that there is always bad things, or there's always negative things that will happen next week. I do see that there is a progress, there is something that is going to start next week that will progress as the days go by, and it is showing a positive result there. And I even see a old man's energy there. So there might be someone in your life that is coming, or is already there in your life, that is going to help you, support you coming week. The guidance will be given by him, the right guidance will be given by him coming next week. Also, I would suggest that people who have picked up the pile do a little bit of ancestral healing, or do a little bit of donation on the name of the ancestors, and that will help them a lot during the coming days of the week. Now we'll go ahead and do the angel card for them. The angel card that has come is healthy lifestyle, and it says Archangel Raphael. Eat a helpful diet, get adequate sleep, and exercise regularly for optimal health. So if you keep yourself healthy, eat healthy food, and be happy, stress-free, the week will go really good for you guys. So we are done with the pile 2. That was the amethyst that we did, pile 2. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the pile 3. The people who resonated or who picked pile 3 will be doing the reading now. Let's see. The people who have picked up pile 3, I have got wonderful cards for them. Their week is going to be really nice, full of brightness, full of energy, full of positivity. There are I do see that the weight of whatever you're waiting till now, I mean to say, whatever result that you're waiting for is going to come your way next week. I see financial improvement coming your way. There will be more money coming, maybe a good news where career is concerned. The relationship looks extremely well. People in a relationship are going to do really well. If they are not into a relationship, I see a relationship coming. Just one negative point that I have seen in the cards and would like to give a guidance on is a little bit of negativity, little bit of is seen in your cards. So just be very careful not to surround yourself with any negative people. Otherwise, the cards are very good for next week, and you are going to have a very positive result, a very good results, and whatever you have been waiting for, that career push or the money that is not coming, you can say you'll see it coming next week. So they are good cards. I do see some good positive vibes. The guidance that I have been given when I was seeing these cards are, there are issues in some kind of relationships, I would say in the family, that might cause some kind of a major problem. So just be very careful with it. The guidance that has been given to me is that whoever picked up the pile 3, make sure little issues in the family do not get so bad that there might be a situation where you have to leave each other, or maybe there are situations where you separate out or something like that. Though the cards are very good, you don't have to worry about anything, but this was the special guidance given. The intuitive reading, you can say, was given and hinted to me, so it was my duty to let you know. But the cards are superb, so if something happens to, I do see positivity around it, so it should be all good. Let's see what the angels have to say. Oh wow, it says chakra clearing and Archangel Metatron. It says, call upon me to clear and open your chakras using sacred geometrical shapes. So somewhere it is saying that people who have health issues, their chakras might be blocked. You need to clear the chakras, and again, kind of heal it, cut cords, whatever is necessary, and heal your chakras so that you remain healthy and positive all the time. And please call on Archangel Metatron. Archangel Metatron will help you to clear your chakra and put in positive vibes to it, positive color to it, positive energy to it, and it's going to help you very well where your health is concerned. So basically we have done all the 3 piles. The one was the citrine, the other was the amethyst, and the third one was you can say the lapis. So we are done with our reading for next week. Like before, I'll again tell you that if you resonate with the reading, go ahead with the reading. Otherwise, blessed be and let it go. Also, we'll be doing some more readings coming next week regarding your relationship, work, career, and I'll be glad to help you in any way you would like my help to. I am a psychic, as well as I do a lot of things like numerology, graphology, healings. So if you need any guidance or anything, you can just give me a call or message me on my FB page, and I'll be very glad to help you. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel as well as my Facebook and Instagram page. Thank you so much, and have a great week ahead. Thank you.